So, you decided to go for Ygrene. Well, I have great news for you. FHIA is our unique Platinum Elite contractor, and our product specialists are highly trained with our process and our services. Let them handle the application for you and walk you from A to Z. Once the application is submitted and everything checks out, within a few minutes you're going to have a finance agreement sent to your email. Once you guys execute finance agreement, you guys will be receiving a welcome call in which we will go through the terms of the financing. Our product specialists are extremely knowledgeable, and FHIA offers some of the best warranties in the industry. We highly encourage you to let them do the process for you. So if you decided to go for Ygrene, check the link below with all the available jurisdictions and cities available with the program. Once you've done that, feel free to reach out to FHIA for an in-home consultation about the scope of your project. The process from there is extremely simple. As mentioned before, Ygrene is based on equity and good payment history. Once we receive your application, we will review that you have the required equity to be approved by the program. On the payment history side, we require that you are 1, current on the mortgage, that all property owners on title don't have an open bankruptcy, that your property taxes have been paid on time during the last 3 years, and that your property has no involuntary liens against its title. If everything checks out, we should be able to give you an approval fairly easily. And if you have any further questions, please visit FHIA Remodeling.com. Also, the phone number in the description below.